Hi, welcome to yet another mini lecture. I wanted to do just a minute here, a couple things on the chats. When you come onto the chat, of course, as you know, whatever the chat time is scheduled, the room is open a half hour. Well, actually, whenever we have a calendar, it's on the schedule there at CCC Confer a half hour early to give you time to get on if you're connecting for the first time or just just have a little bit of leeway. Once you're there, you are not able to chat with each other. Unfortunately, the moderator, myself, has to come in and click each individual on to be able to chat once we're in there. And when I come on at whatever time, I do that, and then we'll have the chat either on or off if we're doing just kind of a straight lecture, or leave everyone's on if it's just a discussion. Sometimes I think what happens is if you're typing when I click you on, it doesn't turn your chatter on. And sometimes I have to do that again. I can see that on my end because I'm the only one that can see your typing, and it comes through as a blue instead of black typing. So I'll redo that sometimes to make sure that's working. And also if you step away from the computer, if you just click your away button, we'll know you're not there, and if we're asking questions or doing discussion, we'll know if you're not responding. Probably not going to do too many audio visual on that, unfortunately. Illuminate doesn't work well. We tried that last semester, and it's very buggy, and it's kind of neat, but it's not worth. Too many people have too many technical problems being heard or being able to hear, and so the text chat seems to by far be the most stable and work the best for everybody. And the last time out, we did a self-awareness exercise, kind of building on to topic 3. If you've done that already or are looking forward to that, where we look inward a little bit to get to know a little bit more about ourselves, which is very helpful when you're doing social work, and especially clinical social work, where you're working one-on-one with another person. If you weren't on this last chat, we'll do. I'll make that available. It's the Myers-Briggs personality test. It's just one dimension, one kind of way. There's many of these kind of self-awareness tests, personality tests, and the like. And it's just kind of a guide. I'll have the link ready. It's a freebie online that you can take about 70 questions. Takes about 5-10 minutes at the most to go through, and then gives you a dimension of descriptions about the kind of the person that we are. We all fall on these different dimensions, and we tend to be stable over a lifetime, where it changes a little bit, but kind of gives us a better perspective about who we are and how we could best go about helping other people in the social work profession. So there you go. There's a mini lecture. I'll be back with others. Dawn is on this following Tuesday chat on March 9th at 7 o'clock our time. She'll be coming to us from Boulder, Colorado. She's a social worker, a clinical therapist, licensed out there, and we'll talk about self-care for social workers. Take care.